Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. H Math Lab. This is the 8th grade Math Chapter 3B practice test. This video for 8th grade students. Okay, we're on problem number 2. Sort the systems of equations into the appropriate bins that describe their solutions. Show the work you do to determine your answer. Okay, so on problem 2, they give you 4 equations. This is box number 1. Box number 2, box number 3, and box number 4. So we're going to solve each box and then we put them in the correct bin. You have one solution, no solution, and infinitely many solutions. Okay, to make it convenient for you, I put 4 systems into 4 columns. We're going to solve each of them by using substitution method. Okay, we're going to look at problem 1 first. Y equal to 3 times x plus 3. So we're gonna plug 3x plus 3 in place of y. Okay, we're gonna substitute 3 times x plus 3 in place of y. So that will give you 3 times x plus 3 equal to 3x minus 6. Okay, I'm going to erase some highlighting here to make sure you see what I'm writing. This is 3 times x plus 3 from the first equation. And this one is 3x minus 6 go to the second equation. So kind of we put 2 parts together as one single equation. And we're going to solve for x. Alright, I want you to answer this question. What is the parentheses stand for? Okay, parentheses stand for multiplying. So what we're going to do is distribute 3 into parentheses. That will give you 3x plus 9 equal to 3x minus 6. Alright, you have x on both sides of the equation. We're going to bring one of them to the other side. So first of all, you need to know this. The negative sign belongs to the 6. 3x itself is positive. So to move 3x over, you have to subtract 3x on both sides. 3x minus 3x cancel each other out. Leave you with 9 equal to negative 6. 9 equal to negative 6 is a false statement. That will be no solution. Alright, number 2. If you understand number 1, go ahead try number 2 by yourself for a second. Okay, I hope that you try it out. Y equal to 2x plus 5. So what we're going to do is substitute 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 into the y. So that will give you 2x plus 5 equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, is the same idea. We have x's on both sides, so we're going to bring 2x over. This positive 3, positive belongs to 3, so 2x itself is positive. You have to do is subtract 2x on both sides. Okay, 2x minus 2x, that will cancel each other out. Positive 2x minus 2x also cancel each other out. That gives you 5 equal to 3, and this one is a false statement still. So that is another no solution. Alright, we're going to look at the next problem, problem 3. Okay, I think by now you should know how to do it. My suggestion is pause the video and try it out before you continue watching this. Alright, so y equal to x negative x. So we're going to plug this in place of y. That will give you negative x equals to x minus 3. And to solve for x, you see x on both sides of the equation. We have to do is bring one of them to the other. This negative sign belongs to 3. So x itself is positive. What we're going to do is subtract x on both sides. Alright, now some of you may so excited and then cross out the x's, which is wrong. Because negative 1x with another negative 1x, same sign we add. They both are negative. Same sign we add, that will give you negative 2x. Again, we cannot cancel that out. You just cancel it out when it's positive x minus x, opposite sign, so we cancel that out. You have x and I take away x from you, so you have 0 on the right side. Bring down the negative 3. Then to get x by itself, you're going to do is divide by negative 2 on both sides. So x equal to 3 over 2 positive, because negative over negative is positive. Alright, some of you may be really happy and stop right there, but we're not done yet. You have to take this and plug it back into the one of the original. And I picked the first one because it looked like it's the easiest one to plug in. So y equal to negative x. Then we replace x by 3 over 2. That will give you y equal to negative 3 over 2. Alright, so that's it. But there's one more step. If you know me, you know what I'm going to ask you. Are we done yet? And the answer is not yet. You have to put your answer in x and y order pair. Whereas your x value is positive 3 over 2 and y value is negative 3 over 2. Okay, I want to make sure you see what I'm writing. This is 3 over 2 is go here for the x value. And the other one is y equal to negative 3 over 2, y equal to negative 3 over 2. Alright, we're heading to the last problem. Okay, y equal to 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2, we're going to plug it in place of y. Pay attention, where's your y in this time, is this case, this problem. Y stays somewhere in the middle of the second equation. So you're going to plug it in here, right? So that we still start with 5x minus 3. Instead of y, you're going to put 3x plus 2 equal to 6. Okay, take a second, pause the video, make sure that you understand what I just did. I used the first equation and plug it into the second equation. Alright, it's not hard to answer this question. Parenthesis means multiply. So what we're going to do is distribute 3 into parenthesis. Alright, so that will give us 5x minus 3 times 3 is 9x. Okay, and negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. A lot of people will forget to multiply 3 times 2. Again, common mistake, people are gonna write down 2 over here, which is wrong. You have to multiply 3 times 2 is negative 6. And we bring down the 6. Okay, now what is your next step? Think for a second, what is your next step to solve for x? Alright, if you answer combining like term, that's the correct answer. 5x minus 9x is negative 4x. Then we bring down negative 6 equal to 6. Then to solve for x, we're going to do it at 6 on both sides. To isolate the negative 4x equal to negative 6 plus 6, cancel each other out. 6 plus 6 is 12. To get x by itself, we're going to divide by negative 4 on both sides. X equal to 3. I hope somebody just catch my mistake. 12 divided by -4 is -3. Again, that's one of the common mistake as well. Alright, so then it's still not done yet, right? We still have to plug this into the original problem. So that will give you, I'm going to rewrite it down here, y equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, we know our x is -3, so we plug it in, -3 for x, and bring down the rest. Y equal to 3 times -3 plus 2, and we're going to solve it through. 3 times -3 is -9, plus 2, and bring down the y. -9 plus 2 is -7. Alright, so our answer in x and y order pair, whereas your x value is -3 and your y value is -7. X is -3 and y value is -7. Alright, that's it for number 2. I know it's kind of long, but the steps is kind of similar. It's not different from what we already did. Okay, if you think any problem is too hard, write it down in the flashcard. Okay, and rewatch the video a couple times. Practice makes perfect. More you do it again and again is better you're gonna do on the test, and it's faster you can work on your test. Alright, thanks everyone for watching, and see you in the next video.